Hey everyone, so today I just wanted to do a quick video on how you can install an LLM AI on your local Windows computer. So there's a lot of information out there. Sometimes it's kind of confusing about how you can actually go about doing that. I just wanted to make the absolute simplest way you can get started. So that's what this video is. So what I recommend is if you just open a web browser, just search for LM Studio. You'll see this lmstudio.ai. Just click that. That's the one you want to install. And this one makes it really simple to get started. It's just this application. It will download everything for you and makes it really easy to run. So you can download it, install it. But since this is the easiest possible way, I recommend just opening a terminal by just hitting go to the run menu, CMD, start that. And then type winget install and enter this elementlabs.lmstudio. So run that. This will go get the binary. So you can see it's coming right from that website we looked at. So it's downloading the executable and it will install it all for you. So let's just let that download. Okay, so that's done now. So we can close this terminal window. So you can see it added this icon to your desktop. Just start that. And it will load the intro screen. It's kind of a big application, so it takes a little while to load. Just wait a few seconds. And you should get this screen. So this is the welcome screen. Just click this button, get your first LLM. Click that. So it will recommend a LLM to do. So I just recommend just picking this one, hit the download button, and then wait for that to install. These models are pretty big, so it'll take a while. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so that's downloaded now. So for now, we can just click this skip onboarding. So now it brings you to this unnamed chat, and you can see the download completed logos here. Not logo, the notification. So you can just click this load model. This will load the model for you. So you can see up here, there's a little scroll bar that's moving. It shows you how much it's loaded. So this is a fairly big model. This is 5 gigabytes, so it will take a little bit. And the good thing about LM Studio is if you have an NVIDIA video card, we'll use that to speed things up. If you don't, it'll just use the CPU. Obviously, if you have a GPU, you'll be able to run much larger models a lot faster, but at least you can still use it even if you only have the CPU. Okay, so now we see that the model that we selected is loaded. So down here, you could just type in your prompt, or you can just use these quick ones. So let's see if you can teach me how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Click that. So this is a thinking model. So you'll see these, this thought area in here while it's thinking. Okay, so that took 37 seconds. This is kind of a slow machine. If you have a faster machine, it will run a lot faster. But we can see that it's outputted the information on how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and this all ran locally on this local machine. So that's basically an overview of how to use the chat. That's pretty much all you need to get started, but then I'll just run through this application real quick, just so you can see what else is in here. So this developer tab. So you can turn this on, and this will use the model that you have, and it'll publish it at this URL. So you can make REST calls to it, just like you can with OpenAI or Claude or any other public API. So you can make those API calls to your local computer. This one just shows you the models. So we see that first one that we installed here. And then this Discover tab is where you can get other models. So once you click that, it will come in here. So by default, it's showing the staff picks. These are probably the best ones you can use. These are created by the Elm Studio team. So you can just select any of these. So if you want this model, and then you can click the download button here to download it. One thing to note is that each model has different options. So if you want to run quicker, you can download a smaller model. If you want it to be more accurate but slower, you can download a bigger model. So pick the one you want and just hit the download, and then you can start using it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's a basic overview of how you can run the LLM on your local machine. So if you have any questions or if you have any issues to this, just leave a comment below and I can jump in, help you out, get you started, get you going. But otherwise, if that's it, then I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.